Let's enjoy beautiful football from Frankie De Jong. Like, look at this master class. Look at these passes, bro. The thing in the control. Nah. They really outplayed Newcastle last night. Pedri, Frankie De Jong. Yidibab, bring your midfielders. We are telling you people. Bring your midfielders when we meet us. Enjoy beautiful football. Charlie. My born ya kono. What's ya say? Oshe bona. Oshe no asumdwe as we relax. Born nya hoɔden. Hey. Football ka ya hoɔden ka Johnson na mu nyina kombo ball. Rock ne Mike Tyson nyina kombo ball. Adwen the IQ. Football IQ. So what the be 1000. And yes sir, you can't play this kind of football. Fat.